Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Boy, do I have a lot going on the face right now, and there is a reason why. But today's video is going to be the March IPSY unboxing slash unbagging. So as you can see, I've already got my full makeup done, and I wanted to switch things up a little bit this month. And so rather than trying the products on as I show them to you guys, I just wanted to put all the makeup and stuff on my face that I have, and we'll just go through the products. And hopefully it will be a little bit quicker and I can give you guys my thoughts. So if you are into makeup, if you're into subscriptions, anything beauty, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, turn on your notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And let's just go ahead and get started. So first of all, I want to say I'm sorry that last month I didn't have an IPSY video. I actually did not even get my February Glam Bag until like 2 days ago. So I didn't have the products to show you guys and I was really bummed about it. But I will say I did contact IPSY and they were very quick to respond and they did get me a replacement bag out. So I did end up getting the products. I just didn't have it in time to show you guys. But we do have both of March's bags and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got this month. And like I said, I've just got a lot going on the face right now. And normally this makeup I wouldn't typically pair together, but I wanted to just use everything I had so that I could show you guys. So yeah, if you are new to IPSY, it is a monthly beauty subscription where they send products straight to your house. They have their base Glam Bag, which just comes with a small size bag and 5 sample size products to test out. You do obviously get to keep the products, but the bags are always so cute and I really love the bag for this month. I love the neon green or yellow, whatever color you want to call that. I love that detail on the zipper and the color just screams spring. So I'm really excited. And then they have the Glam Bag Plus and I didn't even realize, but my makeup like kind of goes with the bag, which is kind of funny. But this bag, you get 5 full-size products. It is a little bit pricier than the Glam Bag, but in my opinion, it's totally worth it. And it's really exciting for me to get these products in the mail and test out new things and find new favorites. So let me get into it and show you guys what I got. So we're gonna start off with the Glam Bags. So again, here is the bag that it came with this month. They always come with a card inside. Sometimes it tells you about the products. Other times it just gives you tips and tricks and just information about makeup, skincare, all sorts of different beauty related items. And the first thing I want to show you guys that I got is actually what I'm wearing on my lips. And it is from the brand Beauty Vault. This is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner in the shade Bubbly Beverly. And I am absolutely obsessed with this combo. Here is what the products look like. So again, the lip liner here, super, super creamy. But what I really like, obviously, is that these two pair together. I have a really hard time matching a lip liner to a lipstick. So it's really simple when they put those together. Here is the lipstick. Very, very bright, very bold, very, very pretty. Let me tell you guys, this lasts forever. It dries down completely matte and it's very, very comfortable. A lot of matte lipsticks for me are not comfortable. This one actually is very comfortable. And the other day I wore this for about 10 hours and it lasted really, really well on my lips. I didn't have to touch up. I ate, I drank, I probably even kissed my husband. And let me show you. There's a tiny, tiny bit of transfer, but it's probably honestly because I applied it not too long ago and it hasn't completely dried down yet, but it dries down and does not transfer. And I'm telling you, it lasts so long. I'm really, really happy with these products and really excited to have them in my collection. I typically would not pair a lip like this with an eye look like this. If I'm gonna do a bold lip, I'll typically do a more muted, neutral eye look. But again, for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you guys all the products. So I'm really, really happy with this. And again, really just happy to have it in my collection. The next item that I got is from the brand Refreshments. And this is the Luscious Hand Cream. And the scent is Coconut Colada. If you are new to IPSY, Refreshments is a brand from IPSY that they created that deals with more hygiene and skincare related items. So I actually have tried this hand cream before. I have not tried this scent, and it's a really nice hand cream. It is very, very thick. It feels a little greasy, but it's not terrible for me. And the thing I really like about this is the size. I feel like it's a good size you could keep in your purse. Sorry if you hear the little baby voice. I've got crew with me today, so. But this is a good size that you could keep in your purse and take with you if you need a hand cream. But yeah, I've tried a few of these, like it so far, and I feel like I can never have enough hand cream. So again, I'm really excited about the scent to try something a little bit different. Next up, I have this face mask from the brand Sand and Sky. This is a wash-off face mask. I have not tried it yet, but it's supposed to be rich in antioxidants. It's supposed to brighten, protect, and plump your skin, and it's supposed to give you a nice glow as well. So love face masks. I'm really excited to try this. And I really like wash-off ones because I feel like it's a lot less irritating on my skin. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Next up is another makeup item that I have on my face. It is the blush that I am wearing. This is from the brand Half Caked, and this is in the shade Soft Serve. Here is what the blush looks like. It's very, very pigmented, and it's very, very pretty. As you can tell, very pigmented. It does claim to last up to 12 hours. And I have worn this one other time before, and I would say that that claim is pretty accurate. It is definitely more on the bold side, but if you like these kind of blushes, I think you would really like it with how pigmented it is. So overall, I really like this blush, and I'm really happy to have gotten this in my bag. The last item that I got in my Glam Bag is this hydrating eye cream from the brand First Aid Beauty. I love the brand First Aid Beauty. I've tried so many of their products and I love them so, so much. And I'm really excited to use this because I love to use eye creams. I get very dry on my under eyes. And so hyaluronic acid is supposed to help with hydration. It's also supposed to help with fine lines and puffiness. So I can definitely use help with the fine lines. So yeah, really excited to try this. It's a teeny tiny little bottle, which probably won't last very long, but it'll still give me a chance to test it out and see if it's something I want to add to my collection. Okay, now on to Glam Bag Plus. It did come with the exact same card that was in the Glam Bag, so I definitely don't need two of these. First thing I have is from the brand Bread. This is the macadamia oil, and it says it's for your hair and body. I'm really interested to try this out. I love hair oils. They make my hair feel really soft and moisturized, but I'm also really excited to try this on the body as well. See if it helps brighten up my skin, makes it smoother. So really excited to try this. Let me show you guys what the product looks like. Here is the bottle with the product in it. There is no fragrance, which is really nice. It almost kind of looks like a perfume, but it definitely is not. So yeah, can't wait to see if this does anything for me. Up next is another makeup item, and this is the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's what I have in my brows today. It's just a really slim brow pencil. Comes with a spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other side. Here's what it looks like. Again, just a really fine pencil. And I really like this pencil because it's really, really soft on the brows. It was really easy to apply and work with, and I feel like it just left my brows looking really soft and natural. I will say there are a lot of really good brow pencils that you can buy at the drugstore. So I don't know that you necessarily need to go out and spend more money on a brow pencil, but if you're wanting to, this one is a really good one and I would recommend it. The next makeup item that I have on is this liquid eyeshadow from the brand Lucky Chick, and it's in the shade Gold Mine. Now, as you can see, it is very bright and bold. Here's what the product looks like, just your typical kind of liquid eyeshadow bottle. And then here is what the applicator looks like. It's a little bit different. It's flat, as you can see. It's not like a spongy applicator like a lot of them have, but it was really easy to apply. And so far, like, it hasn't cracked much. And by much, I mean it has a little bit, just because I have a lot of skin on my eyes and they're also very, very dry. So there is a tiny bit of cracking, but I think on someone that has a really smooth eyelid, this would look really, really pretty. It's a little bit bold for me to wear like on an everyday basis. So if I was going to wear this, I'd probably pull it out for a very specific occasion. but it definitely is bright and it's pretty and it was really easy to use. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely check it out. I'm sure they have more shades. I haven't actually looked into that, but I'd be curious to look and see. So far, this one's pretty. Is it 100% for me? I don't know yet, but it was still fun to try it out, and I'll keep it around for a little bit and we'll see if it's a product that I reach for again. Okay, 2 more items that we have. This next one is from the brand Freck. I'm sorry, I'm not going to tell the name just because I have some littler audience members that I know that watch my videos, so we're going to keep it appropriate here. But this is a cactus and vitamin C moisturizer. Here's what the bottle looks like. It is a face moisturizer, so I love trying out new moisturizers. Hopefully it does well with my skin, but it says it is packed with a lot of vitamins. It has vitamin A, C, D, and E in it, and it's just supposed to help make your skin really glowy. So yeah, I love trying out new moisturizers. And last thing we have is another eye cream, and this is from the brand Ona New York. I really like the box. I think it's really, really cute, the details on it. This says it has peptides and vitamin E. It's supposed to be anti-aging. It's supposed to help plump, smooth, brighten, and protect the skin on the under eyes. So let me show you what it looks like. Typical kind of eye cream packaging, the squeezy tube with the applicator at the end. So this will go in my collection. I've told you guys before that with these kind of products, I don't start using them until I finish up with another product that I have. So I have some other eye creams that I will be trying out before some of these ones, but I love having eye creams in my collection because I'm always using them and they're just really nice for my under eyes. So that is all the items that we got. I was really excited for what I got this month. Not very much makeup, to be honest, which is okay. I like to try out skincare and hair and other stuff like that too. But it was a fun month. I'm excited about the products. The bags are super cute. They will get some use. And I can't wait to see what next month brings for IPSY. So thanks again, you guys, so much for watching. I really appreciate those of you that hang out and watch my videos and help support me. It means a lot. Again, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.